Morning light touch the city wall. Me lace my boots when me hear Jah call. World full of night, full of fake smile, but me nah lose my way, not even a while. Them sell dreams on shiny plate. Fast road lead to every fate. So me move slow, eyes open wide. Truth on my tongue, Jah by my side. When the pressure rise like the sea, me stand firm, my soul stay free. No illusion can blind my sight. Me walk the truth, day and night. Me walk the truth, me not disguise. No mask on my heart, no lie in my eyes. Even when the world confuse me, youth, me walk the truth, me walk the truth, me walk the truth. Through fire and rain, through joy and loss, through hurt and pain. No matter the road, no matter the proof, me walk the truth, me walk the truth. See the youth them search for a sign in a fast time world with a broken mind. Babylon shout, promise plenty, but leave the soul empty. So me chant the word with a steady tone, roots in me heart like a solid stone. Music teach what school now show. Love is the key, let the people know. Me not follow crowd or borrowed crown. Me not bow when the system frown. Jah light guide me through the boot. Every step me take is truth. Me walk the truth, me not disguise. No mask on my heart, no lie in my eyes. Even when the world confuse me, youth, me walk the truth, me walk the truth, me walk the truth. Through fire and rain, through joy and loss, through hurt and pain. No matter the road, no matter the proof, me walk the truth, me walk the truth. No gun talk, no wicked plan. Only love build the stronger man. From the dust to the open sky, truth make the spirit rise high. So tell the youth when the night feel long, truth and roots keep you strong. When the world try bend your proof, stand tall.